So I made it into Hobby Lobby, and you know, Christmas is here. Isn't this really cool? It is all plastic. He's gonna come in and out. Oosh, no price on this one. Oh man, I hate that. Actually, this one is by Mr. Christmas, right? It says it right here on the tag.
70 or 80, sorry.
$80. Okay, that is $80. I've never seen this one. It's actually quite neat. And look at this Santa. He's on a motorcycle at the bottom. Here we go. It looks like he's $40. And let's see, I cannot, yeah. The little nutcracker box fell. I can't pull anything out of here. But Santa is on the sleigh and then he's in the back. That is really, really neat.
There's one up here. Let's see.
Oh, here we go. Go, Santa, go. My goodness. Oh, look at this one. He has a little truck he's painting. This one's going to be 15. And then the large Santa is 40. And down here is 50. That one's kind of cool. Actually, they do make really nice ones in Dillard's if you go there. And they're about the same price. Well, 40% off. Wow. It's already 40% off.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. Dasher and Prancer, moving through the snow.
That is so silly. For $40, he is stuck in his little sack. So $40, let's see, makes it $24. And of course, the tin truck. Oh, look, the elf. He has little bells on him. These are really cute, the little vintage snowman. So earlier they did have a Rudolph one. So this is 15. And then look on top. Those are 20. They're supposed to light up. There we go. Wonder what Santa the tree lights up, right? I love that. Have a cup of cheer. And then Merry Christmas. Cup of cheer is a 10. And I love that little laugh on Santa. That is like my favorite. And look, we have the wooden deers. They're 10. If you want a large one, $40. So it says Jingle Bells, Bing Crosby, Silent Night, The Temptations. Hey, Gene Autry, The Supremes, Smokey Robinson, Jackson 5, and Bing Crosby and Andrew, the Andrew sisters.
That's pretty neat.
My husband is all about Bing Crosby for Christmas. Okay. Little gingerbread scene, $59.99. This one's new too, like in a little shadow box. And the snowman cookie, gingerbread. And a little doggy. That is so cool. And you guys, they even have a countdown. This one's really cute. So I'm loving like the new items. Because you know, Hobby Lobby, they kind of keep it the same for a while. This is 25. So true. Christmas calories don't count. No, they don't. Let's see. $10 for this one. They have gingerbread scented plushies for 10. Little boy is going to have his little hat. She's going to have her little bow. Look, they have a heart. That's kind of cool, right? It is glittered, but not too much like they normally have. Made with love. Fresh gingerbread bakery for 5. You got it working? He got it working. Let me see. I thought the tree would turn. Right down Santa Claus. I like that one. Oh my gosh, I'm in the spirit now. See. I always hear this song. La 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 la.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love said to me, a partridge in a pear tree.
Baking spirit spray is $6, I believe. Yeah, $5.99. And look, they have the gingerbread and the red truck. This is actually kind of cute. It is different. Normally they never have the gingerbread in it. These are 8. Santa, please stop here is $29.99. Little yard steak. And they have these little boxes for $18. And there's a mini one on the inside. It doesn't come together.
Never does it?
No.
$10 for the
10 for the little one. We have Gingerbread Street. It is a little tin sign. That's kind of cute, right? For 15 if you're doing something in your kitchen. I know a lot of people like to put the gingerbread like on their cocoa bars or kitchen. Some hot chocolate. These are 13. And down here we have Merry Christmas. The block letters. These are kind of cool. 25. Oh gosh. I saw that. Santa, he's watching ya for $9. Remember, he is always watching. That is so funny. They do have the gnomes if you're filling them. They're 9. Magic reindeer food. Then it gives you no instructions. These are 9. $9, but don't put this on like food to eat. Don't do that. And dear Santa, I've been good all year. Okay, most of the time. Well, once in a while. Okay, I'll buy my own presents, right? $29.99. Look at him in his green socks. That is really cute. It is a metal sign. I love that. Christmas is my favorite, and this one's really different. I feel like maybe you could DIY that, right? Buy the yarn and a little branch from your backyard or park. Oh yeah, DIY this one for 20, even though it's 40% off. Let's see, welcome to our Christmas chaos, joy, a few more gnomes. Christmas with my gnomies. We're gonna see a lot of gnomes. Santa, please stop here for 10. Look at the snowman. He is so cute. He is full of glitter for 10. I love the vintage though. These are my favorite. I love that little winking face. For $49.99. And you know what? Is that gonna light up? I mean, it gives you extra bulbs here. Let me check. It will light up. Okay, that is too cool. I love that. Then we have Santa. He's waving.
Yeah. You're very welcome.
These are $5. Merry Christmas, and then more snowman. If you want to decorate with skates, these are $29.99. $9 for joy. Don't forget about your sleigh. You could put ornaments in here or potpourri. These are $25. Then a little snowman on a present. He's $9, and then we have Santa again. That is kind of cool, right? A little door is going to actually open. It's going to be $10. Maybe make a little scene somewhere in your kitchen, or maybe even like somewhere by a tree. And $20 for the hot cocoa bar. The gingerbread area is going to be everyone's favorite because it's already getting crowded. Gingerbread kisses and Christmas wishes. That is 10. Welcome to the North Pool. Has a little snowflake. These are 20. Then it looks like there's going to be a little more. I just can't get over that it's 40% off. Right? Oh gosh. Can you grab that?
Yeah, yeah.
Then the Grinch. These are $5.99. The little block signs.
I just want to bake stuff and watch Christmas movies all day.
And this one's $50. They even have the red truck. And your snowman family. I was looking for the snowman. They normally have a whole area dedicated. I don't think they're out yet, but $29.99. These are $50. The Christmas shop. You have silver and white, even one with snowflakes on it. You have that fur at the bottom, and your stockings are $13. Here's one, a red one. I feel like most of these are going to be $50. We're filling the gray with snowflakes, $50. And the faux fur. Oh gosh, everything here is a white Christmas. And then here's a few red behind me. I'm more traditional. I like that. It says Christmas at the bottom. Those are $40. $29.99, kind of like a somewhat of a burlap. $29.99. It's gonna light up. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this area in Hobby Lobby. I was trying to mainly show like vintage and gingerbread. That is all they have out right now, and it is on sale. I know it is absolutely crazy. We are in September. This is the earliest I've ever seen it. I mean, Hobby Lobby normally brings it out really early, but on sale already. Mind is blown. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.